In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can edit mobile view on WordPress. This is going to be a quick and easy tutorial. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click here, you want to go to the dashboard of your WordPress account, and then what you guys need to do, you want to click here on appearance. Okay, so after, guys, you click on appearance, you will be able to see this customize button here. Click on it. Now, after, guys, you click on customize, it will take you guys to your WordPress website, as you can see. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, to edit the mobile view, you want to click here, as you can see in the left here, it says this mobile icon. Click on it. You can also edit the tablet, like for example tablet view. Okay, if you want to target customers that are using tablets, you can just customize this or edit your site with mobile tablet view. Now I'm going to show you guys how you can do this on mobile. As you can see, you can customize your website, you can change different elements, you can change the text for mobile view. As you can see, just choose here the mobile view and you will be able to do this. Okay, so what you guys need to do now is you want to start editing the mobile view on your WordPress. Okay, so first thing here, it says site identity. You can change, for example, the site title here and tagline. As you can see, you can also change here the site. You can add here a site icon here, as you can see. Now this is really all general. Okay, so you can also add like additional CSS. Okay, so if you want, like, the reason why you need to add additional CSS, in case you want to change the background color only on mobile view. Okay, so you want customers to see a different banner when they are on mobile, and you want to see a different banner, you want them to see a different banner or different background on like desktop view. Okay, you can do that by using additional CSS. You can if you are not familiar with coding, easy, you just need to go to ChatGPT, explain to ChatGPT, hi, I want my customers to see a different banner on my WordPress website. I want a CSS code, okay, something like that, and you will be able to receive the code. And you want to click on additional CSS and you can add the code. You can also add explain to ChatGPT that you want your site, your text, your text on mobile view, you want the text to be a different font or smaller or bigger. You can do that, okay, using the CSS, additional CSS. Now you can see here, your theme supports site with editing with blocks. Like, you can start editing your site here, but you can click here, it says your theme supports site editing with blocks. Now you want to click on use site editor, and it's going to take you guys to site editor, and you can start customizing. I'm sorry, you can start customizing your website. Okay, now I'm going to click here on this header, and as you can see, you will be able to see also here the mobile view. Click on here and you want to click on mobile. Okay, so as you can see, this is the mobile view, and now you can start customizing this as you want. Okay, so for example, I want to change this text to another text. For example, get it for free, something like that. You can also change the banner text. You can also change the background. You can click on replace background. You can change it. You can also add the custom code. If you want to do that, you can do that. You just need to click on this plus button here, and you will be able to see where it says embed, or you can see a code. As you can see, you can display, you can add here a code. Okay, you can also add different things, different elements here. As you can see, you can add widgets. Okay, you can add, for example, custom HTML code. You can do multiple things here. You can change, for example, you can click on patterns here, and you will be able to change, for example, the about page here. You can add multiple things to about page or blog posts. As you can see, contact page here, you can change the contact page. As you can see, I'm going to change it to this. Okay, so you can also change, for example, footer. As you can see, you can also customize this as you want. You can add multiple things here. You can change the color, for example. You can also change the color to any color you want. You just need to click here, it says style. Okay, you want to click on here, and you can then click on colors, and you can change the background color, for example, to, let's say, white color. Okay, as you can see, you can also change the button color if you want to change it to any color. You can also change the text color to any color you want. You can change the heading color. You can change multiple things here, as you can see. Now after you are done, you want to make sure you click on save here in the top right, and that's exactly, guys, how you can edit the mobile view on WordPress. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next tutorial.